Hey Dad, it's the 29th of July. Just a quick concrete guys are coming tomorrow. Yes, awesome. So here's what it looks like. So this is where our drain's going to come through. It's going to come all the way through there, and the guys are going to fill it in. They're going to flood it with concrete. They're going to put rebar across the top and do everything. So this is where the electrical feeds across from the house. This is where the two-post lift. The other side of the two-post lift, new electrical panel, yay! Door, it's going to be edge, it's going to go there. Then this is all going to get flooded out. And down the back we've got the drain, and then we just got a basic drain just to flood and let the water, any water that does ever gets inside. And then we've got electrical heading out to the back. So that's all done, getting ready. And then we've got the little kind of trench drain along the back, just to kind of along the side. And then down the back, the guys are getting ready to do the form. They've done the forms ready. They got to do a little bit more fill. I left them a little open. I got the pipe going back for electrical. I got a French drain running out the back side here, and then I've just got some water pipe running that you can see over here. So yeah, I'll give you a status when the guys lay the rebar. Thanks, see ya.